To download Netflix on your Android tablet, we'll first want to locate the Google Play Store, which looks like this. Depending on your setup, you might have the Play Store on your home screen, or you might have to swipe up to go to the app drawer and then find the Play Store icon there. Once you're in the Play Store, you'll see all kinds of charts and recommended apps, and if you know what you're looking for, you can use the search. I'll search for Netflix, and a popular app like this will always be on top of the search results, along with some ads and sponsored results. Sometimes the sponsored results can look very similar to the app you're searching for, so make sure you're downloading the right app. On the Netflix app page, I can view more info and tap Install to download the app. Once the download finishes, I'll just open the app from here, and we're basically all set. Just log in with an existing account, or create a new account if you don't have one already. After downloading the app, you might see it in the recent apps like I do here, but you'll also find it in your app drawer. And of course, if you'd like to add it to your home page for easy access, you can long press the app and choose Add to Home, and then tap, hold, and drag it to your preferred position on the home page. You can even put it on the taskbar on the bottom, so it's always visible, no matter what page of the home screen you're looking at. And that's how you download Netflix. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.